Hey there, Bridget Lindahl Goff, Conscious of Economics and Urban Farm Project. Anyway, we're coming around the bend, and just a little bit more information. Today is probably like video 5. But today I'm putting the horse poop all over the top, and so just kind of wanted to give some tips. This horse poop, let me see if I can grab it here. This horse poop I found in the neighborhood. I'm fixing up a sand garden bed and trying to give it, mulch mass, organic mass, carbon mass for aeration and long-term nutrient and for microbial purposes, because there's no sense in growing your food if you don't have any microbes, because that's what you need in your body, because you are the same as the soil. So, also, the dogs here have kind of been sick. I call it chemtrail sickness. They have like runny eyes and colds and cough, which means that, there's one in the grass, which means their immune system isn't so great. So, I found really good, fresh, this morning, come here, Jen, horse poop, and it's microbial rich. I wouldn't feed a dog like, carnivore poop, but a good cow pie. Jen, she's scared because of all the, all the people are out in the dunes having fun. Come here, cutie. But the other dogs want the turds because they're not, fazed by the fireworks and the motorcycles. Come on, here's one now. Here, Mo. Mo has had some serious colds and stuff, but we got her straightened out. She's doing super good. And here's Sammy from Miami. She loves a fresh horse turd. But anyway, so I've been giving them, some fresh horse turds every day for the last 2 days since I sourced them out, because they're going to get rich microbial stuff in their guts. So this would be like the best probiotic. Periodically I go hiking in the mountains and Jen gets probiotic from the waterways up there. So she gets that. But you can see they love a good fresh horse turd, and it's super good for their gut. And yeah, so today's day 2 that we've got them on the microbial diet of fresh. And make sure, like the horse turds that you're getting, that they're fed with, maybe weed-free, good natural alfalfa or grass pasture. You don't want to feed them any kind of horse pucky or cow pucky of animals that are being fed things other than what they should be eating, which is grasses or alfalfa. No grain or anything like that. So anyway, we're having a poop eating fest. And what I'll probably do is I'll just put it on the grass over here, because whatever's left will help the grass mulch. So we're going to put some horse pucky over here. There. And then they can kind of go in and graze it during the day and get what they need. Yeah. And then Jen eating her horse pucky. And one of Jen's favorite, poo-poos is wild turkey. And from what I've read, wild turkey has tons of micronutrients and trace minerals and things like that. Because, turkeys and stuff are going to eat grasses too. And like fresh grass has a lot of silica in it, which is the fountain of youth mineral. But anyway, so here we are in horse pucky land. And everybody getting a probiotic charge. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. And they'll usually just eat, what they need. So I bring in enough that they can get, what they need. And it gives them kind of a grassy diet as well, with all the microbes in the horse's gut. And that helps with, and sometimes horses will even re-eat their fresh poop. If they are missing some things in their diet, they may, re-eat some of their poop to get microbes back in, and also some nutrient, right? So it just depends. Animals are pretty smart. There's my horse pucky pile, and it's all going good. We're eating horse pucky. Okay, so now back to this horse pucky for the soil. I'd never put fresh horse pucky, fresh anything green on a garden because it's going to mold and it's going to off gas and it hasn't been done breaking down, and that fresh horse pucky will be too hot on the soil because it'll be composting and breaking down. It's going to heat up and burn everything. So this I found was 15-year-old, horse pucky in a pile next door. And you can see how it's already breaking down into soil. This still has tons of microorganisms in it. In order for it to have broken down like this, it has to have microorganisms, and the cow or the horse that pooped it had microorganisms. Excuse me. And you can see how it's really kind of humusy. So humus is kind of a lot of breakdown in organic material that makes it kind of light and fluffy and airy. So that's kind of what humus looks like. So it's very humus, and it's not going to burn anything, and it's pretty much been 100% broken down. So it's going to be awesome microbial mass, and it's going to be awesome for aeration and nutrient in the soil and long-term nutrient. Okay, so this was from a 15-year-old pile, and it's beautiful. Doesn't smell anymore. It's pretty much humus soil, and that's it. Okay, that's your. I'm getting it on top here, and then I'll water it and keep it moist, and that will help the nutrient to go into the soil because you never want it to fully dry out. If it dries out, you lose all of your benefit. Okay, all right. That's Bridget Lynn Dolgoff, Consciousness of Economics and Urban Farm Project. Woohoo! Have a great day.